Hey guys, this week we'll be making Joshua Weissman's brioche buns. His recipe as well as the other recipes in this video will be in the description box below. Here I'm just mixing together water, milk, and flour to make our tang zong. This will help our buns be nice and fluffy. Next, warm up the remaining milk. This is going to help us dissolve that yeast. You want it warm but not boiling. Around 110 degrees is good. We want to wake up that yeast with a nice warm bath, not kill it like all of my houseplants. And here we can begin to make our dough by whisking together flour, sugar, and salt. You just want to give those dry ingredients a good stir before we start adding the yeast mixture, eggs, and butter. For those of you that don't know, brioche dough is just bread dough with a few extra things in it: eggs, sugar, and some kind of fat. So don't be scared to make this just because it's the fancy bread on your bun out at the grocery store, okay? I've actually found that brioche doughs are easier to work with, so if you're looking to get into bread making, you should give this recipe a try. Next, we're just going to knead this dough until it comes together nice and smooth. And if you don't want to do it the whole time, you can always pawn it off on your significant other, which I highly recommend. Now, if it's your first time making bread dough, don't worry if your hands get a little sticky. You just have to perfect that technique. It'll turn out okay. Okay, the part we've all been waiting for. It's coming together. We're gonna do this. So we're gonna start with cutting it up a little bit and weighing it out, making sure it's proper. And then we're gonna shape it up a little bit. And here I'm just showing you guys again. And yeah. If you're just getting into bread making, you probably noticed that there's a lot of techniques on how to make a dough ball. But I mean, just do whatever you want. Shape it into a ball. It's gonna turn out good. I mean, it's bread. Okay, now we just have to do a little egg wash before we put them in the oven so they brown up nice, and we're almost there. Ah, look how nice these look. I mean, come on. You deserve this. You should make this for yourself. And here I'm just going to toss together a nice coleslaw with Brussels sprouts, carrots, onions, and a nice little dressing. Let me tell you, I'm not going to make these buns every time because who has time for that? But I mean, if you're trying to amp it up for someone, make these buns. Make these buns for yourself, okay? As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for future recipe reviews.